How to install the official build of Pixel Experience Normal or Plus Edition based on Android 12 on the Google Pixel 3. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official build of Pixel Experience Normal or Plus Edition based on Android 12 or 12.1 on the Google Pixel 3. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have a custom recovery installed, and we are going to use TWRP for the purpose of this video. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install TWRP recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of the video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also, make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. The other thing I would like to add is that make sure you are coming from stock Android 12 just to avoid any issues. So here it is, we do have the Pixel 3. Right now we are running stock Android 12. Now, the first thing I recommend you do is you can go into settings. Once you are in settings, go into security. Remove your screen lock and your fingerprint. Once that is done, go back, go into passwords and accounts and remove your Google account. Once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Now, before you ask me, hey Manchi, why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are going from one ROM to another, and if you do not remove these accounts, you will have to sign back into them when you set up your device on the new ROM for the first time. I find that quite irritating. So I remove all those accounts beforehand and then use whatever account I want to use on the custom ROM. Next up, what are the files which you need? Now all the files which you need are linked in the description of the video, and you need only one file, which is Pixel Experience. We are using Plus Edition official build based on Android 12 or Android 12.1 or Android 12L. That is the only file which you need. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into our custom recovery, which in this case is TWRP. So turn off your device. Once the device is turned off, press and hold power and volume down. You will be in fast boot mode. Herein you can use the volume options to navigate through the different options, and once you see the option for recovery mode, then you need to press the power button to select it. So we are on recovery mode, press the power button to select this option, and then we need to wait patiently so that we can boot into the custom recovery. So here it is, this is the screen which is letting us know press the power button to pause, bootloader was unlocked, Google boot logo, and now we have the team win splash image on our device, which means we are booting into our custom recovery, which is TWR. Again, you might be on this screen for some time, just have to be patient. Eventually you will boot into the recovery. Once we are in TWRP recovery, we will go into wipe, advanced swipe, select Dalvik and data, and then swipe to wipe. Once that process has finished successfully, tap on the home button, go into install. Now this here is our internal storage. Now we need to go to the folder where you have the official build of Pixel Experience Android 12 zip file on your device. If you download the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. If you transfer it from your computer, you would know the location. Let us select this file, which is Pixel Experience Plus Edition, and do remember, if you want your TWRP to not be replaced with stock Pixel Experience recovery, then check this option of automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM, and the next thing we need to do is swipe to confirm flash. Now once the process has finished successfully, we can scroll up, make sure there were no errors. So here it is, we are flashing the ROM, which is Pixel Experience Plus Edition for the Google Pixel 3. Now in my case, it is flashing to the slot B, which is inactive, which means my active slot right now is A. In your case, it might be flashing to slot A. Then we have TWRP being injected one more time. There were no errors regarding that. Next up, tap on the home button, go into reboot, and herein we are going to select recovery. Back into TWRP, we will go into wipe. But before that, let me increase the brightness. We will go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Now do note that format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you do have a backup of all those things. The text in red above can be ignored. Format data was performed without any errors. Tap on the home button, go into reboot, and now select system. And there it is, we now have the Google logo, and pretty soon we should have the Google boot animation on our Pixel 3, which means we are booting into the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 12 or Android 12.1 or Android 12L, and the first boot up will take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is, we are on the setup screen. Dark mode is enabled out of the box, which means this here is Pixel Experience, official build for the Google Pixel 3. And let me skip the initial setup real quick. Alright, so here it is, we are on the home screen. Let us go into settings and display. We can disable the dark theme for now, and then we can go back into settings, go into about phone, and herein go into the Android version. Bam, here it is. Kernel version is Pixel Experience, build number is Pixel Experience Plus Edition. Android version of course is 12, and the security patch which we have right now is from April of 2022. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install the official build of Pixel Experience Normal or Plus Edition based on Android 12 or 12.L on the Google Pixel 3. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.